I wrote and actually sung, I didn't really sing, I kind of shouted, but sung Football's Coming Home, Three Lions. I've released a lot of books. This is my 11th children's book and about my 20th book in general. That's a lot of books, isn't it?
Neil deGrasse Tyson would be your dad? Well, that's a proper dad, isn't it? A dad who knows about maths.
Einstein, just Einstein. His brain is so big that he can cover all forms of parenting. All the people that you see here in this room who are not children, inside they feel like children, right? Inside they feel about 13 or 14. As a comedian, I've been allowed to just be like that. But in my children's books, I think I just express that sense of, oh, what would I like if I was 13? Yeah. I'd like to be an amazing cook. I'd like to be able to choose my parents. I'm of the opinion that if you can tell stories, you can tell stories in almost any medium. I really hope you aren't him. I am not at all keen on him or his company. It made me feel ill, did it? Yes. Also very annoying, our dad, were some of the things he was saying in the paper about how wacky and zany everything is at Bonkers Burgers. The sesame seed bun seemed to be cradling its contents within a soft embrace. The edges of the patty had been seared to a golden brown, and lapping over the corners from a cheddar square placed on the patty while grilling were perfect melted triangles of cheese. For a moment, nothing happened, and then he could feel himself falling. Not actually falling, physically, but falling inside, down, deep down, to a place where the man, who you have perhaps guessed was indeed Bodley Bonkers, had not been for a long time. The burger was somehow sweet and salty and spicy and smooth and creamy and crunchy and everything in between. He peered at it, and he peered some more. It seemed to offer him something, a secret, a key to what might be the taste that had just transformed him into a pillar of bliss. So my advice, if you want to be a writer, is read as much as you can of other people's work, right? And then, when you start to write, try and forget it. Just write from your own experience and your own voice and your own ideas. But remember that everything you've read will somehow be in there. In our world, anything you want to say or do, just say it or do it. Yeah, that's how we roll. You can say or do whatever you like. Barry took a deep breath. Bloody plot!